everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how to create your first Qt QML application. So when you open Qt Creator, you'll see an option to create a project, right? Click on this option, and then in application Qt, click on Qt Quick. Now you will see two versions, right? Qt Quick Application Compact and Qt Quick. This is compatible with the older version of Qt, like Qt 5 and Qt 4. Like, I don't think it's that good in Qt 4, but I think it's compatible with Qt 5 and older versions. Like, if you read this one, it says that you can use in other build system that are CMake or like I'll tell you what are build systems later, but it's for using with QMake versions or with Qt version less than 6. But we will obviously go with the modern version, so choose the third option, right? This is the latest Qt Quick, so choose this one. Click on choose and select the name of the project. I'll name mine like first project. Okay, there should not be any space. Yeah, so I'll name mine first project. Now, what is this? This is the minimum version you want to build the application for. Now, what's that? Let's say you are creating a project to like build a calculator, right? You want to build a simple calculator, right? Now, the version of Qt you are using is Qt 6.5, but some of your friend, like, he also wants to contribute to the application, he wants to work with you, and his version of Qt is Qt 6.2. Now you want your application to run on both these machines, right? Now, which is the older version of Qt? Obviously this one, right? So this is the compatibility support. Like, you, if you want, you can like make it compatible with Qt 6.2. so any version of Qt greater than or equal to 6.2, like 6.2.3 or 6.2.5 or 6.3.1, something greater than 6.2 will work, right? But something older than 6.2 like Qt 6.0.1 won't be compatible, like it won't work. So for backward compatibility, this is the one we need to use, right? So I'll be choosing Qt 6.2 and click on next. Now in this part you will select the compiler you want to build with, right? You can also change it later, but for now we'll use Qt 6.5.3 MinGW, right? Now if you see, this is Qt 6.2 and the compiler version is Qt 6.5, so obviously this will work, right? And if I had chosen something like Qt 6.0 or Qt 5.15, that would not have worked, right? So I'll choose this one, click on next. Now this is for translation files and version control, so click on finish. We will do that later, and then give it some time, like it will load all the modules and it will like run CMake, and after that you will see three options in the bottom left corner, right? You will see a play button, this one. If you click on this, it will build and run the project. So now the project is building. Now what is building? It's converting this QML and C++ file to compiler, like machine understandable code, the code which machine understands, zeros and ones. Now after that it runs the application. Now you see an empty screen, right? But you can change the title here. Now if you like say application demo or something, right? Now if you run this, you'll see that every application has a title, like this is the title for this Qt creator, this is the title for this application which we create, right? Now it says application demo. So that's it. This is a small video. I'll like show you how to work with window in the next video, and you will learn a lot of new things, like how to add icons here, right? How to add images, and how to stick the application, and like how it will not go behind any other application and such stuff, right? So see you in the next video. Thank you for